Today we're going to be talking about how multiplication and division work together, and we're going to be talking about how they work together through fact families. So when I think of a fact family, that's how my numbers go together. Think about the people who live in your house and how they work together to create your family. Same thing with the numbers. So I like to think of it through a triangle. And in this triangle, I have three numbers. I have my three numbers that go together in my fact family. So for this one, I'm going to have 6, 30, and 5. So the way that these three numbers work together is I can do lots of things with them. I can say 6 times 5 equals 30. I can say, use the commutative property and say 5 times 6 equals 30. I can divide by saying that 30 divided by 6 equals 5. And I can even say 30 divided by 5 equals 6. So this is a fact family that can work together through multiplication and division. So let's see how we can use that with our word problems. Hannah bought some boxes of crayons at the store. She had 24 crayons total. If she bought 4 boxes of crayons, how many crayons were in each box? So I can start to think about this problem using my fact family triangle. Go ahead and pause the video for a moment and see if you can put the numbers where they go. All right, so I know my total number of crayons is 24, and 24 is my larger number, so I know that that goes at the top. And she bought 4 boxes of crayons, so that would go down to the bottom. How many crayons were in each box? I don't know, so that's what I'm trying to solve. If one of my lower corners is missing, I know that I need to divide to figure that out. So I know that my number sentence is 24 divided by 4, and I'm going to figure out what that equals. I can choose lots of strategies. I really like the array, so I'm going to make rows of 4 until I get to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. So 24 divided by 4 equals 6. So I know that 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. And 24 divided by 6 is 4 with my fact family. Let's look at another one. There are 3 rows of apples with 6 apples in each row. How many apples are there? So again, and draw my fact family triangle. I know how many rows of apples there are and how many apples are in each row. So I know my smaller numbers. I know there are 3 rows of apples and 6 apples in each row. So I'm trying to find my bigger number. How many apples are there total? So I know if I know these numbers, I need to multiply to get this one. So my number sentence is 3 times 6. And already my problem is telling me I need rows. So I have 3 rows of apples with 6 apples in each row. And then I count my total. I can even count by 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So I knew my top number is 18. So again, with my fact family, go ahead and pause the video here and see if you can figure out all the fact family problems. So that would be 3 times 6 is 18, what we already have. We also know that 6 times 3 would equal 18. We know 18 divided by 3 equals 6, and 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So we're going to continue this week to talk about how multiplication and division work together through fact families.